Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I just picked up one of the newer Patrick Ta blushes, his dual blushes, and I picked this up in Not Too Much. But in the Sephora sale, I did grab the other two. So my thought is these are three fantastic summer blushes for mature skin. We're going to test it out. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It would give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help the newbie out. I would so appreciate your support, and thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokies. Shh, I'm not gonna say it. I'm so super excited. You know what? As I'm looking here, I forgot to put on bronzer. I do have foundation on, eyeshadow on, beep boop 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 bop, and you know, I will put everything down below. You know that. I'm gonna just throw in real quick the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear bronzer that I love so much. So let me just put this on. You know, here's the thing, girl. In the middle of the night or late at night, I'm browsing. Need a thing. Like I said in the intro, I did pick up the new Patrick Ta came out with 3 new colors in his dual. Damn, that looks so pretty. In his cream to powder blushes, I did grab 2 of them. I grabbed Just Enough and She's the Moment in the Sephora sale, but I don't know why I did not grab Not Too Much. I thought I had like one that was sort of kind of similar, like the colors were kind of similar. I was so bummed out, and so of course the sale was over, and then I went back to go grab it, and it was always sold out. But I did just grab it recently, so I figured let's just try it out. And then I figured finally, it is so friggin' hot here in New Jersey. I'm not saying a word. I love it. If it could be this hot the whole damn summer, I would not be disappointed. But anyway, I like cream products. You know that I like cream products. I'm 56 years old. Little fines and wrinkles, blah, blah, yada, yada, and the what. I adore cream products. And if you guys know Patrick Ta with his creative ideas, he recommends using his blushes powder first, then the cream. I think it's ingenious. It goes against the grain. I know that, but it is so great. So anyway, so let's try these out. Let's just look at them first. So this is She's the Moment. It is so, look how beautiful it is. Hold up, let me show you right over here. I mean, look how gorgeous. I did do a video on these 2 blushes. I can't remember the title of it. If I remember, I will link it down below. So She's the Moment. And then I have Just Enough. So there is Just Enough. So pretty. Let's open up the new one. I am like so super duper excited. So this is Not Too Much. Love his packaging, by the way. So this is the beautiful packaging. Already fingerprints on it, but it is what it is. Yeah, girl. I gotta tell you, it's nothing extraordinary. I mean, nothing crazy colors. This light washes these colors out, but right here, it is perfection. It is perfection. If you don't want too much, hence the name, Not Too Much. It is beautiful. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put one cheek, we're going to put one color, and then the other cheek we're going to put the other color, and then I'm going to wash it all off. I'm going to redo my makeup, and then we're going to finish off with Not Too Much on both cheek aroonies. So excited. Anywho, questions. Have you guys picked these up? Do you guys like Patrick Ta? I adore him. Do you have any of his products? I have tons. And have you tried his blushes? And do you use him the way he recommends? So curious. Let's start with this one. This is Just Enough. It is so beautiful. I'm going to swatch. Let me pull back a little bit. It is so beautiful. It's like that beautiful bubblegum pink. So gorgeous. I'm going to swatch the cream and the so creamy and delicious. So these are 2 swatches of Just Enough. I'm gonna put them on here. So here's yeah, it looks so beautiful. Wow. So this is what the swatch looks like for Just Enough. So pretty. Let's throw them on. Clean brushes, yes, by the way, yes. Say you're sorry. You thought they were dirty, right? You thought they were dirty. Clean brushes, 3 clean brushes. So I'm going to just do exactly the way he recommends. I'm going in with the powder. So here's the powder right over here. Picks up a lot, so be careful. So we're going to do Just Enough, like right over here. It's so pretty. I know, girl, you just tapped. I know, but it's so beautiful. Like, I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but on here, it is so beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm gonna look straight. That is so freaking pretty. Wow. And of course, I'm exaggerating it a lot. I would not wear this much blush, or would I? I think I would, but whatever. That is so pretty. Now we're gonna go in with the same brush. Let me just tap most of it off, and then I'm gonna go in with the cream. You know what? No. I have like a dirty ass sponge here, sort of damp. I'm gonna go in because traditionally when I use any kind of cream products, I always go in with the butt of the sponge. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna just go in with the butt of the sponge. And I'm going to just tappity tap tap. So this is the powder. And then we're gonna go in to top it off with the cream. Yeah, oh wow. I mean, the cream just pops it up. Look at that. It just pops it up. Just a beautiful, beautiful notch. Look at that. I'm gonna turn this around just to blend this in. Wow, that is so pretty. So this is just enough. That is so pretty. And again, if you don't like, if you have oily skin and you don't like this shimmer, you don't have to. You could just use it traditionally. You could do whatever you want, but this is so beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, that is nice. Okie dokes. So the next color we're going to be using is She's the Moment. Now, if you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know I am just not a corally kind of girl. But I'm not really, hush it. Hush your mouth. Hush your mouth. Just try it. Just try. I'm going in with a different brush. This is the Bristles Beauty. Oh, did I tell you this one was the BK Beauty 112? And then this is the Bristles Beauty FO8 AM. Girl, spoiler alert. This one was my absolute favorite. I was so stinking surprised because I'm not a corally kind of. I'm not a corally kind of girl. Really? Then how come it looks so beautiful on you? Tap these bad boys out. They are very, very pigmented. Let's go on this side. Yes, ma'am. Oh, this is so beautiful. Again, I'm just exaggerating it, but you do whatever you want. You like this tons of blush? Just freaking do it. Do whatever you want. It's your face. It's your life. Look how gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. She's the Moment is. Not enough. She's the Moment. I forgot to swatch them. Let's swatch them real quick. So here's the powder. Here's the cream. So beautiful. Powder. Cream. Look at that. Let's go in with the cream. Tappity tap tap. Please let this do justice. As I'm looking here, all I see is like dot and dot, but this is so beautiful, like all over. Let me see if I could turn. Granted, like I don't have like contour and like a full, like usually I go in with like a cream bronzer and then I top it off with the powder because it's all about the blush. So I really don't have that much underneath per se, but my word, look how freaking gorgeous, gorgeous She's the Moment is. Wow. They are both beautiful. And hey, listen, I don't want it too shiny. It looks too shiny for my liking. Great. Go back in with the powder. Use the brush or whatever tool you use for blush. Just go over it. Go over it with the powder. If you think, look at that. You think the cream is too shiny. I like it traditional. Then do it traditional. Put the cream on the bottom. Put the powder on top. You see how this is nice and shiny and dewy? Maybe you don't like that. It's okay, girl. Put the powder on top. That's it. Boom, boom, pow. It is so, so beautiful. These are so perfect for mature skin. Like I said, for me personally, I love a cream base, even though it's summertime. Even though it's summertime, and you know I'm not a powdery kind of girl, but I will use powder obviously more in the summertime because it will melt right off. Damn, it's so pretty. Look at this. It is. I don't care that they're two different colors. I don't care. It looks so beautiful. Ooh, so, so nice. I want to tell you that Patrick Ta, my opinion, girl, my opinion, are probably one of the most beautiful cream / powder products that are perfect for mature skin. I think they're so beautiful. I think he's so creative. I think he's so innovative. I think he's so freaking cute. He's so cute. But anyway, I digress. Let's wash this off. And hello, the star of the show, I think, is not too much. We'll see. I'll be right back. Okie dokes, I'm back. I washed everything off. I want to put some bronzer on with you guys. Beautiful. Anyway, leave me some comments below, by the way, if there are any videos that you would be interested in me doing, testing out some products. I'll do the best I can. I will tell you, I pretty much bought 99% of all these products, and I have tons. So if you guys have any questions, if you want to see like eyeshadows, blushes, makeup techniques, just leave it down below. I'll do my best. I will absolutely do my best to fulfill your orders. I love it. Okay, anyway, so here it is. Here's the start of the show. This is the Patrick, let me tell you what it is. This is the Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. Okay, that's what it is. This is not too much. Yes, and I also love this protective flap. Very ingenious. I'm going to pick this up like this. So this is what it looks like. That is so pretty. That's so pretty. Going in with a brush. I have another Bristles Beauty brush. This is the F09RM. No clue. Oh, let me swatch them for you. Yeah, this is so pretty. And like legit, this is very, oh my God, it's so, shit, you know what I'm thinking? This cream blush will be beautiful on the lips. Oh my God, that looks so freaking pretty. So this is what it looks like. Barely. You could barely see it. Girl, because it's not too much. It's not too much. I'm going to put it, let's see, right over here. See, but like on the skin, why did you lie to the people though? I mean, on the skin, you could see it absolutely. It's on the bottom. Really, really nice. Okay, Patrick. Okie dokes, let's dive in. Going in with the powder. Going in with the powder. It is a little powdery, so you know what? My recommendation is to keep that down. This is what it looks like. Tappity tap tap, girl. Yeah, that's really pretty. That is so beautiful. Now, don't go crazy, girl, because we have to go out after this. That is so beautiful. And exactly what it says, it's not too much. Ooh, that is so gorgeous. Keep this down, sister. Keep it down. That's really pretty. I'm going to put it on the nose. My sister's, we're going to my sister's just for like some cocktails underneath her evening lights. She's like, girl, where the hell are you going? You didn't tell me you were putting on full makeup on. I'm in sweatpants with my hair up. But girl, I'm testing for the people. Okay, so now let's go in with the cream. I'm going to pick up that flap. I'm going to go in with my spongy sponge. I have cleaned them after each use. And let's just try it on just one side just so you... just so you could see the difference. This is so damn pretty. I won't talk. Just give me a minute. That's so pretty. Okay, so this is with the cream on top of it. I understand it's a little bit too glistening for you. It's okay. This is without it. This is just the powder. Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have done like one powder to cream and then the other side cream to powder. It's okay. It's okay, but this is so beautiful. So pat this out right over here, whatever bothers you. Like that was a little bit too shiny for me. That is so pretty. I gotta go in on the other side because I have to. It's so freaking pretty. I'm gonna go, yeah, it is beautiful. Look at that. Wow. That is so gorgeous. But I want to do the same thing. I want to go back and put powder on top of it, just in case you feel like, girl, I can't, it's too shiny, I have oily skin, it's going to melt all over, I'm not used to that, I really prefer a matte look. It's okay, girl. Let's just go back in. So let me just, before I change it up, so this is not too much. Now, of course, this is the way Patrick Ta recommends it. You could do it traditionally how you did before. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go back in. I'm going to take the powder. Going in with the powder. And I'm just going to go, oh gosh, you could even use the powder as like a setting powder if you wanted to. Okay, so that's it with the powder cream powder. And this is just with the powder and the cream. I like it either way, but since we did one with one, let's just do it up. That is so friggin' pretty. Okay, so this is not too much. Actually, let me bring down my hairdo. Yowza, a million times I said I'm gonna get new clips. Youch! And let me just zhuzh. I just did my hair with the Dyson. Trust me, as soon as I walk out the door, my hair is gonna go whatever. I don't recommend it, but that's just me. Anyway, so this is it. This is not too much on the skin. It is so, so beautiful. Again, you don't like the cream, don't put it on, just put the powder. Or you like both combinations, do it like the OG style. You put the cream on first and then use the powder to set it. However way you feel comfortable with, just do it. But anyway, so this is it. These are the beautiful Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blushes. They are so, so beautiful. Of course, this is the newer one in my collection, not too much. It's so pretty. It is so, so pretty. But anyway, so that is it. I think these are so, so beautiful on mature skin. Leave me some comments below. Do you agree? Or do you have other products? I mean, I have tons of blushes. As a matter of fact, I should do, did I do a blush declutter? I think I did, but you know what, now that it's summertime, I'd like to go through maybe my cream blushes and try them all out and see how they work out, especially now that it's hot out. That's a good idea. But anyway, so this is it. This is my video on the Patrick Ta cream and powder blushes on mature skin. What do you guys think? I think they look so, so beautiful. So, so beautiful. But anyway, so that is it. This is my video. Thank you so, so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.